Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So, very quickly, I want to show you this. This was a RAK, which means Random Act of Kindness, sent to me from Leanne. And I've been waiting. You could see I've used it a little bit, but I've been waiting because I wanted to come on and thank her for this, because this was such a wonderful thing. She sent it to me and she was like, look what I found. And she's like, I know you like the Dollar Tree kind of things, and I can use this on the jelly plate as a stamp on clay, the whole 9 yards. I was so excited. So you can see here, I stamped the different sections, and I'll do it again. And it has a suction cup. And what the cool thing is when you're done, or if you choose to use it as both or whatever, you really can clean your paintbrushes on there, which is so cool. So let me just turn this autofocus off. It's driving me bananas. I'm going to dry that. And let me just show you what it does. I'll just put some ink here because I don't want to ink it all up. But we'll just kind of do like that. And then I'm going to put my piece of, I'm going to do it this way because my hands are killing me today. And I'm just going to lay it on there. Of course, you stamp, you know, whatever way. Okay. And look how cool. Oh my God, my dogs are driving me nuts. Look at that, how cool that is. So, I mean, the fun thing is you can, I'm going to spray it real quick and clean it. You can use it, like I said, on clay. You could use it in your mixed media. You get different textures. I mean, you can see here, it's a smaller texture than that and that. And you can also use it as a guide if you want to do a mermaid. I love doing mermaids. I love, you know, drawing that kind of thing. So you have like the whole bottom part of a mermaid. And I mean, how much fun is that? So thank you so much. I love this so much. And oh, girl, we're not gonna throw that away. And I love when you guys send me stuff. You know, some of you don't like for it to be, you know, for me to name names or even really make a fuss and show it, which I can totally respect. And others don't mind. So I'll be showing a few other things that I've gotten recently that I haven't been able to make a video for yet, but I wanted to show this because I want to play with it, and I didn't want to play with it without telling her thank you, and I love it. So I think I'm going to be going to our Dollar Tree and buying some of these and maybe doing a random act of kindness of my own, or a giveaway, or who knows. But I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so very much. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battles somebody else is fighting. And always go to your stores. You know, I go to the dollar store constantly. And I'm always looking for different things to use in my mixed media or art journaling or ATC card or what have you, and to use things in different ways. And I have a video on that. I'll link it down below, as well as one of these cards at the end here. And I have a couple more of those videos coming up. So hope you enjoy it. Love you guys so very much. And thank you for being so supportive, and for all this stuff, drawings, paintings, everything that you guys send me. I love. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.